Hey guys, here we are. Guess where? Guess where we are? Old City, Port Royal. I was once a pirate. I ruled this place. And I'm ruling again because today we're on a major delivery. Coach, can you believe it? We not only bring in pins and anchors, we do coaches as well. Big and small, we promise you that we do it. And here we are today, delivering just for you. Damn it. I lift too much, you know. Alright, just turn so.
Put it up, put it up.
Let's push it in. Alright, grab that up, please.
Slippery.
Yeah.
A few moments earlier.
Don't make it touch. Cool.
How many pieces?
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one, wait, do.
Alright, so return this one. Like this, yeah. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? Cool. Let's put them right beside this one. Oh, okay. Ah, there you have it. Brand new coach inside the house. We're winded. We get right back to you.